Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Great Potoo, Nyctibius grandis. The great potoo is a nocturnal bird found in the forests of Central and South America. It is known for its excellent camouflage, eerie calls, and distinct upright perching posture. As a member of the family Nyctibidae, it is related to nightjars and frogmouths and is an iconic example of cryptic adaptation in the avian world. Physical description: plumage is a mottled mix of gray, brown, and white, mimicking tree bark to blend into its environment. Large, rounded head with a wide, flat bill surrounded by rictal bristles, fine hair-like feathers. Large, dark eyes adapted for excellent night vision. The eyes reflect light, giving a glowing appearance in low light. Short legs, strong feet, and a relatively long tail for balance while perched. Size: length ranges between 48 to 60 centimeters, 19 to 24 inches, from head to tail. This size is comparable to a large crow or a small hawk. Its elongated body, along with its upright perching posture, makes it appear even taller when perched. Wingspan. The wingspan can reach 70 to 80 centimeters, 27 to 31 inches, allowing it to glide silently through the forest while hunting. Weight. Adult great potoos typically weigh between 360 to 640 grams, 12.7 to 22.6 ounces. Its relatively light body, despite its large size, is an adaptation for its nocturnal and aerial lifestyle. Habitat: geographical range. Found from southern Mexico to northern Argentina, including much of Central America and the Amazon basin. Preferred environment: inhabits tropical and subtropical forests, particularly in areas with dense vegetation and tall trees. Can be found at elevations ranging from sea level to 2,000 meters, 6,560 feet. Diet: insectivorous. Feeds primarily on large flying insects such as moths, beetles, and grasshoppers. Occasionally consumes small bats or other prey when available. Hunting strategy: a sit-and-wait predator, the great potoo perches motionless on a branch, waiting for prey to fly by before catching it mid-air, using its wide, gaping bill. Hunting is exclusively nocturnal, relying on keen eyesight and excellent hearing. Behavior: camouflage. During the day, it perches upright on tree branches, resembling a broken tree stump or extension of the branch. It remains motionless for hours, blending perfectly into its surroundings to avoid predators. Activity: nocturnal and solitary, with most activity occurring at night. Emits haunting, low-pitched calls at night that resemble moaning or growling sounds, often heard but rarely seen. Breeding: mating system. Believed to be monogamous, though detailed studies of its mating behavior are limited. Nesting: lays a single egg directly on a tree branch or in a shallow depression on a stump, without building a traditional nest. The egg is camouflaged to resemble the bark or branch. Incubation and care. Both parents are thought to participate in incubation and chick rearing, though the primary caregiver is the female. Chicks are well camouflaged and remain motionless like adults when threatened. Lifespan: wild. Estimated lifespan of 10 to 15 years in the wild, though precise data is lacking due to its secretive nature. Ecosystem role: predation. Plays a role in controlling populations of flying nocturnal insects, including pest species. Prey for others. Occasionally preyed upon by larger birds of prey, snakes, and arboreal mammals. Its camouflage helps minimize predation risks. Conservation status. Status: classified as least concern by the IUCN, as it is widespread and relatively adaptable. Threats: habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment. Localized hunting or capture for the pet trade in some areas. Conservation efforts. Found in several protected areas and reserves throughout its range, which helps mitigate habitat loss. Cultural significance. Its haunting calls and mysterious behavior have inspired myths and legends in indigenous cultures, often associated with spirits or omens. Fun facts. Exceptional camouflage. The great Potoo's ability to mimic tree bark is so effective that even experienced birdwatchers may overlook it. Unique call. Its eerie nocturnal calls have earned it nicknames like ghost bird. Adapted vision. Its eyes are highly adapted for low-light conditions, with a reflective layer, tapetum lucidum, that enhances night vision. No nest needed. Unlike many birds, the great Potoo doesn't build a nest, relying instead on natural depressions in trees to protect its egg. The great Potoo is a remarkable example of nature's ability to adapt and conceal. With its cryptic plumage, nocturnal habits, and haunting calls, it is both a master of camouflage and an important predator in its ecosystem. Despite its mysterious nature, its ecological role and unique adaptations make it a fascinating species worthy of conservation and study.